welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews and unboxings. Today it's all about these cords. These are USBC cables. They come in all different sizes, lengths rather. This is like 3 foot, then it goes to 6 foot, then it goes to 10 foot. If you've been keeping up with upgrading your stuff, generally speaking, a lot of things have been turning into these USB-C cables. I have been able to charge my phone with this. I've been able to charge my laptop with the same cord, like literally everything with USB-C. It has the USB on the end and then the USB-C cord in the front, and that's what the head looks like. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with the adapters. They also have sets for like Apple products and different stuff like that, like specifically Apple oriented. So if, you know, depending on what kind of products you have. So it comes with 2 3-foot, 2 6-foot, and then 1 10-foot cord. I'll probably be using the 10-foot cord the most likely, you know, charging my stuff all over the place. So the cord itself feels super sturdy, and it's like bendable as well if you need to like wrap it around things for whatever reason. Let me know in the comments, what would you use a 10-foot cord for? I want to know, do you charge your stuff all the way across the room? Like what do you do, and why would you use this 10-foot cord? For me, I would probably, if like I was at a coffee shop or something and I didn't have a outlet where I was sitting, I would probably use this, put it into the outlet, and then just run it across the floor to where I'm sitting, if there was no other seats available that were closer to the outlet, of course. But let me know in the comments, what would you use a 10-foot cord for? And if you want to purchase it and or any of their other cords, check out the link below. For more unboxings, continue watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye!